Well, anyway, we thought we'd drop by, just see you guys. Hi, guys.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hey.
You got a present?
What's happening?
You got a box there.
What's happening?
Open it up.
Open it up.
Be careful.
Merry Christmas!
It's not going to get very much bigger either. Isn't it cute?
Are you for real?
Yeah. Real mom.
Oh my goodness, he's so cute.
Look at him.
Isn't he precious? He's real sweet.
Are you serious?
Now you gotta think of a name for him.
Yeah. You guys get to name
He
him.
doesn't have a name.